Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are safe and fine. I am your computer teacher. Today in this video, it is the last part of the lesson 2 of class 4. So let's start. So in the last video we have done up to this part. Now let's start from here. Open page number 23. Setting date and time. The system tray in the taskbar displays time. The system tray in the taskbar, this is the system tray, displays time. If you place the mouse pointer over time, current day and date are displayed. If you place the mouse pointer over the time, the current date and day will displayed. We can change the date and time settings of your computer through control panel. To do so, you have to follow these steps, which we can understand only doing by the practical. Okay. So the keywords here are some keywords given. So let us discuss these keywords. Desktop. So what is desktop? It is the first screen where all the icons are placed and where different windows are displayed. What is desktop? It is the first screen when we open the start on the computer. It is the first screen which is displayed, where we can see different icons and where all the windows are displayed. Icons. What are icons? Icons are the little pictures displayed on the desktop that represent a program. Icons are small little pictures which are displayed on the desktop that represents a program. Menu. Menus are lists of program commands. Menus are the list of some program commands. File is a collection of data stored on a storage device such as hard disks. Each file in a folder has a unique name. File is a collection of data stored on storage devices such as hard disks, etc. These are files. Each file in a folder has a unique name. Inside a folder, each file should have a unique name. Folder is a place to store one or more files. Folder is a place where we store one or more than one files. Screensaver is the program utility to save the monitor from damage when it is not in use for long period of time. So what is screensaver? It is a utility program to save the monitor from damage when the monitor is when the computer is not in use for some long period of time. Now next page, page number 25. See here a box. Now I know. So what do you get to know after this lesson? You can move window by dragging its taskbar. We can move the window by only dragging its taskbar. Snap is a quick way to resize open windows simply by dragging them to the edges of your screen. Snap is a quick way of resizing a open window simply by dragging the edges of the window to the screen of the screen. Simply by dragging them to the edges of the screen. The Show Desktop button is a rectangular bar at the far end of the taskbar. The Show Desktop button is a small rectangular bar which is at the right end of the taskbar. You may even increase or decrease the size of the windows by dragging the edges. We can change the size of the windows, that we can increase or decrease the size of the windows by dragging their edges. Control panel provides options to customize the appearance and functionality of the computer. Control panels provides us some options to customize and the appearance and functionality of our computer. You can customize the window color, appearance and set mouse properties. We can also customize the window color, appearance and can set mouse properties also. You can move a file or folder to a new location using cut and paste option. You can also move a file or folder by using cut and paste option. You can copy a file or folder using copy and paste option. You can also copy a file or folder by using copy and paste option. So I hope all of you have understand the lesson properly. I have already given the exercise part and the question answers. Okay students,